like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful.
Afternoon, guys. I'm out doing a little walk down the beach, right? So I've got myself this Expedition Research little bushcraft grill. This is the kind of copy version of it, right? So as you can see, stainless steel. It is extremely thick, right? I've seen people like Joe Robinette has got one of these, right? I think he's got the Expedition Research one. So that you can see the welds, they are really good, honestly. I've watched some videos and people have said the welds are pretty sharp, but this one is pretty good, honestly. I bought this myself. I've not been given it or sent it for a review, but I thought I would do a video and show it off, right? So you get that piece. I don't know the length, sorry, but I'll put it here on the video, right? So you get that piece, you get the bag, and you get a second piece as well. Look, so you've got the two pieces for if you want. That's for your cup, I'm guessing. But I'm going to cook some spam, so we'll get that on. So I've got myself little bits of wood. I'm just going to cut them up. This hole was already here. I'm just going to use this hole as well. So do excuse me, I've never brought the tripod with me today. So I'm trying to balance the phone between my legs. Crud, as always. I got a message, somebody saying that at least I keep it real. So I'll fill that little pit up and I'll bring you back, guys. So I've got a little fire going, guys, right? And I'm going to put that across the top like so when it kind of burns down, right? And then I'll just put my spam straight on the top of it. So I've got the barbecue spam, guys, and the little fire's going. So we'll chop that up and I'll bring you back. Right, so well I remembered, I've took the lid off the spam, right? It comes with one of these pull rings, right? And some people have said it's hard to get the spam out, right? So what you do is you push it on the ends here, boom, right? And then you get your knife and dig it out, force it out, right, like that, boom, and it'll come out. But I'm using one hand, so I can't show you that. But you get the gist of what I mean, don't you? So there we go, spam sliced. I've brought my little food tongs with me. Got these from Sainsbury's. I've had these for years and years. Always worked fine for me. So we'll get the spam on the grill. How many pieces we got? And then he's at 3, 4. So we'll get 4 on. You probably could squeeze 5 on, right? We'll stick 5 on. There we go. Get them all on at once, right? So I'll flip some of them over. The one at the end's not really cooked yet. This one here I think's probably done. And this one's probably done as well, isn't it? You don't really need the tongs, to be honest. But yeah, that one's done, I think. There we go, look, that one's getting a bit burnt. Oh, that's getting a bit hot, that one. So, take this one off. That one's right on the fire. We'll stick that one in there. spam is ready, guys. I've got my little coffee. I'll give you a look where I am. Just a little path that I'm on. Just down the kind of beach. Coffee time, guys. Oh, you can't beat it, can't you not? So it's Sunday morning. Yep, Sunday morning, guys. Sunday afternoon, sorry. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. My Ollie's got chicken pox. So, one of those things, I decided to come out, you know. You can't beat just getting outdoors, can't you? Ollie's at home, Sarah's at home. He's quite gets sore, he's got spots everywhere, so I just thought I'd come out and have my lunch. So, yeah. Cooked. It's caramel. You might think it's burnt, but it's not. Spam is better cooked. So, so yeah. Sorry about that. I was about to speak with my mouth open. So, I want to thank you for watching the video, and I'm really impressed with this little grill. Really good. It's not warped or anything. My other one that I've got warps. It's warped. I can't remember when that one was. I've had that for a few years. But that one's a lot higher up. You'll have seen it in a few of my videos, I'm guessing. But this one, I do like this one for this. Making a little trench, what would you call it? A little Dakota type fire pit, wouldn't you? And then you can just fill that back in. Yep, so it's a little fire pit, just like that. Look. And you can just refill that, can't you? After it burns out and all that's left is ash. So leaving those smelly fire pits, people like to complain about me leaving fire pits, but I don't. So this will be tidied, honestly, when I leave. I'll show it at the end. So there we go, guys, that's where the fire was, in that little pit. I've filled it in, stamped it down with my foot, like so. Look. So, you wouldn't even know that I had a fire in there, wouldn't you not, if you were walking past. This is a little path, there's a little trail going through here. Just a little bit that's down the beach that I like to come to. So, you wouldn't even know by looking, because the rabbits that have made these holes, look. There's other holes other places, isn't there? So, as always, leave no trace. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you could, give the video a thumbs up. I'm quite impressed with that expedition research. It's a copy one I got. I got mine's for £13 from eBay, so if I can remember I'll put a link below. But thanks for watching, and if you could, give the video a thumbs up and let me know if you love the spam. I've not had spam for a long time because a lot of people were complaining about the spam, so I had kind of stopped doing the spam, but I think it'll be back in 2020. Oh, this is the first of the spam. So, let me know if you want to see more cooking videos. I kind of stopped doing them last year as well, didn't I? I've done a few, but I'm going to start doing more, I think. I enjoy that. See, just coming out and doing this kind of thing. And filming it. But yeah, right, so I was leaving the house, right? And I says to Sarah, I'm going for a walk. And she says, what, wearing that? I've never seen anybody going for a walk wearing what you're wearing. So I've got my Bugsy hat on, I've got my trespass jacket that I like. I really like this jacket because I wear it all the time now. And I've just got a pair of black trousers on, look, if we can see, look. black trousers, and my
Jamaican trainers. What?
So I don't know why she was laughing. Who knows? I don't care. I don't care. I don't really care what people say. I wear what I like to wear. So thanks, guys.